Hey guys, I know I made a video about this like all the way back in August, and then I made a video about this all the way back in October. But we're in February, and I just want to make sure we still know how to access everything on Google Classroom, including assignments and material. Because I've gotten way too many emails and texts today from people saying, I didn't know I had to do that. What are you talking about? So, I'm looking at Google Classroom right now. This is my student demo setup, so you can tell I'm enrolled in all three classes. So for the sake of this, I'm going to pick on cohort B. So right now it says due Thursday, call the vocabulary usage, due Friday, flee the wild activity. Okay, so if I just look at this, it looks like I only have two things to do. If I just look at this, just two things to do, that seems kind of suspicious. Okay, so I can go various places, but if I click up this, I'll open up my work and I can see that I'm missing some stuff down here. Well, it looks like I've got these four things to do. Now, earlier, it looked like I only had two things to do. But now when I click on this, it looks like I got four things to do. That's weird. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this page. So right now it says I only got two things to do. Now, I can click on my to-do list and it will show me stuff that I need to get done. Okay, but this is for all four of my classes. So, I can click view all and view everything. Next week later, missing stuff is up here. I don't care about any of this though. I want to go back to that page I was on earlier. I'm looking at this where all my Google Classroom stuff is. So, again, I'm going to use cohort B. I'm going to click here, and this is the main stream. I don't know why on Google Classroom we have a stream and then a classwork thing, and then I know mine says people because that would show me who's in my class. But you'll see a thing up here that says stream and classwork. Okay. I don't really care what's on the screen, on the stream, not screen. I'm going to click on classwork, okay, because that's where everything's posted. So if I'm looking right here for this week, February 8th through the 12th, I got IXL stuff going on. Flee the wild activity I need to do. Call the vocabulary usage, and vocabulary is on ode to librarians. Okay, so those four things I need to do. Okay, four assignments I need to do. But if I look on last week's stuff, look at that. Look at last week's stuff. Now, this is material right here. These four things that are gray and not green are material. That doesn't mean they're not assignments. They're just not posted as assignments because sometimes it's easier to post it as material than it is an assignment. Okay, so like last week, February 1st through the 5th, I did my Call the Wild test. I did my Khan Academy. I did my vocabulary. But right here, here's Call the Wild Chapter 7. Here are my theme notes. Here are my Call the Wild theme notes with quotes activity. And here is a Welcome to the Wild Frontier project. Okay, so, there we go. Here's a project right here with all sorts of instructions. There's instructions right here on how to complete the assignment. There's a video that's 14 minutes long on how to complete the assignment. And then there's the step-by-step process on how to complete the assignment. But it's not posted as an assignment because I wanted you guys to email it to me. See right here it says, email me both pictures and make sure you put welcome to the wild frontiers, your subject line of the email. So this is, just because when it comes to this project, it's easier for me to check it as pictures in my email than it is on Google Classroom because sometimes when you have to post more than one document in Google Classroom gets upset. So that's why I posted it there. So you got to make sure you're checking everything, okay? So here's your Call the Wild theme notes right there, and then there's an 11-minute video that goes along with it. Here's the quotes on Call the Wild, and here's page 1, there's page 2, then there's a 12-minute video that goes along with that, okay? You got to make sure you're checking everything in Google Classroom, okay? If I scroll down, to the week of January 25th through the 29th, there's a ton of stuff here. Some are assignments, some are material, okay? So you want to make sure you're loving yourself and checking this part of Google Classroom, okay? If you just go back to this, it looks like I only got two things I need to do. But you guys know by clicking here and then clicking here, I've got more than 2 things to do. I've got 4 things I need to do this week, okay? So make sure you're checking Google Classroom day, not every day, day, multiple times day, okay? And like I said, I've been saying that since August. Love yourself. Check Google Classroom. Check Google Classroom. Check Google Classroom. Check your email. 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 And when you get tired of checking your email, check your email. Okay. Hopefully that'll help you guys a little bit. If you have questions, send me an email. I'll get back to you on it. Okay. But check Google Classroom every day, multiple times a day. If it doesn't say assignment, you still need to take a look at it, okay? Because like I said, if I made everything assignment, I'd go crazy, which I have to do all this because I don't need to grade everything as an assignment, okay? Some of these things lead to bigger things later on, okay? So make sure you check Google Classroom every day. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.